Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making sunny side up breakfast skillet. Alright, I'm starting out in my cast iron skillet. I preheated. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil in here. Now I have one of those packs of brown and served breakfast sausages. I microwaved them for a minute to thaw them out. I'm going to get them in here and brown them up in the skillet. Alright, now that my sausage is browned up and I've set aside on some paper towel to drain, I'm going to add a little more olive oil into my skillet. Just a little bit because we have some left in there from when we did the sausage. And I have some diced up hash brown potatoes. These are still frozen. This is the 32 ounce bag. I'm going to get that in there. And I'm going to start to brown these up and thaw them out, heat them through. And I'm going to season them with some salt and pepper as I brown them up. Alright, now that my potatoes are all nice and browned up and heated through, I turn my heat off now because we're done with the stovetop. I'm going to take that breakfast sausage, add that in, and I put a pound of bacon in the oven, browned it up, crisped it up, and then I broke it up into pieces. We're going to stir that in with the sausage and the potatoes. You just want to blend that in. And guys, it's a really quick and easy skillet meal. All one pot, easy cleanup for a weeknight when you worked all day. Alright, now I'm going to add some cheddar cheese to this. Get this open. We're not going to go crazy with the cheese like I normally do because we don't want that to overpower the dish. So I have some shredded cheddar cheese here. And I thought I had it open. I'm going to add this in here. Just a light coating over top. Okay, now I'm going to take my spoon and I'm going to make some little divots in our potatoes. I'm making 5 of them because we're going to put some eggs in here. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll do 6 since this is such a big skillet. And I'm going to take my eggs and I'm going to crack them into a little bowl. This way here it'll be easier to get in those little divots. And I'm going to go ahead and fill them all in with eggs. Alright, now that I have all my eggs in there, I'm going to hit this with a little more salt and pepper. And I'm going to put this in a 400-degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes. That'll give my eggs a chance to cook through. Alright, this just came out of the oven. It took 10 minutes. You can see my eggs are done nicely. Lastly, I'm going to hit this with a little bit of parsley for color. And this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright, let me get in here and give this a try. Does that look good or what, guys? And I'm going to break my egg all over my potatoes and meats. Get in here and try this. And if you like your eggs a little softer, you can do this for about 8 minutes. It's really delicious. Bacon and eggs, sausage and potatoes. It's like a big breakfast at a fancy restaurant all in one. And you see, guys, that was really easy. No chopping or dicing other than breaking up the sausage and the bacon. One pot cleanup because I lined my baking pan with parchment paper to do the bacon on, and pan's still clean. Really easy, really delicious. Alright, there you have it, guys. Sunny side up breakfast skillet. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.